How to leverage external forces to succeed from zero. Hello everyone. Today, let's explore a meaningful and practical topic in life. Especially for those starting from scratch, 5 ways to leverage external forces to make money, the secrets of successful people. Not everyone has the resources or favorable conditions to start a business. And many of us may feel like we're just a zero, with nothing to lose. However, what sets successful people apart is not only their hard work, but also how they utilize and amplify external resources, as well as fully tap into their internal strengths. In this video, I'll share 5 leveraging strategies that, even from the smallest beginnings, can gradually turn into powerful levers that create business opportunities and bring you closer to financial freedom and lasting success. Let's dive into the journey from zero to the peak of your career. And remember, every success begins with a small but full of potential start. The meaning of zero in the journey to success. Zero is not just a symbol of nothing, but a milestone of a new beginning. It represents the initial emptiness, a space where nothing is defined yet, filled with infinite potential. When you start from zero, you're not bound by past limits or achievements. Instead, you can seize every opportunity to learn, gain experience, and slowly build a solid foundation for the future. Thanks to humility and a never-ending desire to learn, every small step contributes to the combined strength that helps you overcome any challenge. 5 strategies to leverage external forces to make money and build a career. Now, let me share 5 essential ways to leverage external forces that anyone starting a business or looking to change their life should master. Leverage from yourself. Accumulate value from small things. Every day, we can accumulate small values, from saving even the smallest amount of money to learning and improving necessary skills. The proverb, "Small savings become great wealth," is not just a reminder but a philosophy. For instance, if you save 50 Vietnamese dongs daily, you'll have a significant sum after a year. Likewise, if you spend a little time daily reading, learning a new skill, or expanding your network, the knowledge and experience you gain will eventually become a valuable internal resource. To fully harness your potential, set daily learning goals, continuously improve your knowledge and practice, and turn small lessons into powerful tools for success. Leverage financial resources. Use capital leverage. Not everyone has startup capital. That's why financial leveraging becomes a smart strategy to quickly scale a business. You can borrow from banks, friends, partners, or use credit cards. The key is to have a clear financial plan and manage risks. Before borrowing, carefully assess your cash flow, interest rates, and repayment ability. When used effectively in high-profit potential projects, the loan becomes a lever that doubles profits and scales up your business. Leverage technology and the internet. Apply digitalization to optimize work. In the digital age, technology isn't just a support tool, it's a crucial resource that saves time, cuts costs, and opens global markets. E-commerce platforms like Shopee, Lazada, and Tiki, along with online advertising tools and automation systems, offer huge opportunities for startups. If you know how to utilize technology, you can manage customers, track orders, and build your brand effectively without huge costs. Learn to use management software, CRM systems, and online ad tools to create an automated and efficient workflow, doubling your business performance. Leverage giants. Stand on the shoulders of the successful. One secret of successful entrepreneurs is standing on the shoulders of giants. Instead of building everything from scratch, learn from, collaborate with, and tap into the resources and experience of those who've gone before. For example, if you want to expand your business but lack the means to build your own system, partner with major players, e-commerce platforms, or industry experts. This saves time, cuts costs, and reduces risks. Always seek out mentors, experienced and reputable individuals who can guide and help you grow your strategy. Leverage people around you. Tap into relationships and community wisdom. Lastly, nothing is more valuable than personal relationships. Family, friends, colleagues, and people you meet along life's journey can all become resources to help you open new opportunities. Building a strong network not only provides support when needed but also opens doors to collaboration, shared experiences, and new business connections. Actively attend events, workshops, and professional communities to exchange knowledge and broaden your relationships. Sometimes, one timely conversation or honest advice can open a door you never imagined. With these 5 leveraging strategies, we'll dive deeper through examples and timeless lessons from life and business. The story of the boy and the rock, integrating resources. Imagine a young boy trying to push a heavy rock in the yard. Despite using all his strength, the rock doesn't move. His father comes and gently suggests, "Why don't you ask for help or use a lever?" The boy then realizes that instead of relying solely on his strength, he can make things easier by using help from others. The lesson: don't limit yourself. Always broaden your vision and make use of every available resource to create collective strength that helps you overcome big challenges. The borrowing arrows with straw boats strategy of Zhuge Liang. In the classic romance of the Three Kingdoms, Zhuge Liang used the borrow arrows with straw boats strategy to defeat the enemy. Though tasked with producing 100.00 arrows in 3 days, a seemingly impossible feat, he brilliantly leveraged enemy resources to fulfill the mission. Lesson: instead of trying to do everything yourself, learn to use available resources to achieve results quickly and efficiently. The story of the poor and the rich man. There's a story about 2 men facing financial hardship. The poor man worked hard day and night but earned very little. The rich man, by outsourcing and leveraging external help, significantly increased his income. This proves that the difference lies not in how hard you work but in how you leverage resources to optimize your time, energy, and money. If you're starting from zero and feel like you have nothing, don't hesitate. Start with small steps, set goals, save a little each day, learn a new skill, or connect with someone experienced in your field. Even the smallest action today can lead to a major breakthrough tomorrow. Make a detailed plan. To make the most of all resources, you need a detailed plan for each phase. Set short and long-term goals. Break them into steps, and assign deadlines to each. Tracking progress helps you adjust your strategy in time and ensures you stay on course. Develop strong internal strength. While external resources are crucial, your internal strength, knowledge, skills, and experience is the key to long-term success. Keep learning through books, courses, and real-life experiences. A solid foundation gives you the confidence to leverage finances, technology, and relationships around you. Share and spread value. One way to build lasting relationships is to share your knowledge and experience. When you help others, they're more likely to support you in return. Be open-minded. Join events, workshops, and communities to exchange ideas with like-minded people. Sharing not only strengthens your knowledge but also creates a supportive environment for growth. From zero to the peak of success. Turning initial struggles into opportunity is not just about hard work. It's the art of leveraging, knowing how to tap into and combine all available resources. The 5 strategies we've explored today include: leveraging from yourself by accumulating small daily values, leveraging finances through smart capital use, leveraging technology and the internet to optimize processes and access markets, leveraging giants by learning from and partnering with successful people, leveraging people around you by building relationships and sharing experiences. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of continuous learning, practice, and effective leveraging. Even if you start from zero, once you know how to use your inner strengths combined with external resources, nothing is impossible. Start your journey today, take action. Keep learning, and build your future your way. Every small step brings you closer to your goal, and every resource you leverage becomes a booster to double your success. If you found this article helpful, share it with your friends and colleagues. And comment, "I'm ready," to affirm your determination to begin your journey towards success. Wishing you endless energy, creativity, and momentum on your path from zero to the top of your career.